So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again, fresh off of the back of a mad night out. We're back on it. Air of the dog. Cheers, guys. Happy summer to each and every one of you on this glorious Thursday. Arsenal win, Man United lose, Mbappe rejects Saudi. Madrid is on. Cheers. Anyway, make sure you are smashing the like button, people. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't, why? Hit the sub. It's free. I ain't charging for this. This is free entertainment. Make sure you are leaving your comments and super chats down below. Make sure you check out the main channel. Just dropped a video about Arsenal's win against Barcelona. Little bit sticky one now, I can't lie. A little bit sticky. 3 goals conceded. Penalties missed. Yeah, go and check that video out. But anyway, we are going to talk about Kylian Mbappe. He is rejected, apparently, refusing to enter talks with Saudi Arabia. And like I predicted, he's not going to go there as it stands. I did say he ain't going there. And why would he go there? Listen, he's minted anyway. He can get top dollar anywhere he goes. Obviously, PSG accepted the fee. They accepted the bid. But at the same time, Real Madrid will stick the readies on the table because, contrary to popular belief, they are not skin. Everyone keeps going, oh, Madrid is skin, Madrid is skin. They're not skin. They have actually got the best net spend. Let's talk about net spend. They have actually got the best net spend out of any of the big clubs on the planet since 2008. They've barely spent a penny in the last 5 years. It's mad. I don't know why anyone thinks they're skim. Yes, Jude Bellingham, 100 mil. On paper, oh my God, they've bought a player for 100 mil. Trust me, they are caked. And they will sign Kylian Mbappe. They obviously beat Man United yesterday. And Joselu scored an overhead kick. Good one. Didn't he used to play for Stoke? I'm sure he used to play for Stoke. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it weren't Stoke. Maybe it was someone else. I'm sure he played for Stoke. Jude Bellingham having a bit of a tear up with Lisandro Martinez. Man United's kit, by the way, awful. You're not Juventus, mate. Like, real talk, you are not Juve. Why are you wearing a black and white kit? You're not Newcastle. You're Manchester United. Man United. But anyway, Kylian Mbappe, I believe, is going to sign for Real Madrid. Fabrizio has been tweeting out today saying that it's pretty much set in stone, the agreement between Mbappe, Real Madrid. Florentino Perez came out the other day when asked about the whole Saudi Mbappe. He went, yo, I'm calm. This is Madrid. Hala Madrid. Biggest club on the planet. You can go there. You can take all the money in the world, mate. But this is Real Madrid. And that is the difference. Real Madrid's pulling power is different. It is different to any club on the planet. If Real Madrid come in for you, I don't know a single player that just off of the top of my head. Maybe you guys, listen, you guys have got a wealth of knowledge, but I can't think of a single player that has rejected Real Madrid. I can't think of one. I genuinely can't think of a player that's gone, nah, actually, I don't fancy Madrid, mate. Sorry. Yeah, before you all start putting in Declan Rice or Kai Havertz, no. They never had a bid accepted. A player that has had a bid accepted by the club he's owned by Madrid, that's gone, don't fancy it, mate. There ain't one. Yeah, Kai Havertz, they didn't really want him. They didn't want him. Why would they want Havertz? Like, let's be real with it. But anyway, Mbappe is getting closer to Madrid. It will be a world record fee, reported here by Real Madrid News, 230 million euro deal. Journalist Ramon Alvarez reports that Kylian Mbappe's long-awaited transfer to Madrid is close. It will go down as football's most expensive transfer. Neymar's move from Barca, 222 million, as we know, blah, blah, blah. If the Spanish journalist numbers are to be trusted, Mbappe could cost the Galacticos 230 million euros. Now, let's be real with that, yeah? They will accept it. They just want to get anything for him. Like anything over 150, they're accepting it. They do not want this guy who's one of the most marketable footballers on the planet, one of the best footballers on the planet, and they're not going to want him to walk out for free. So they're going to have to accept something. They're leaving with saying, but it's going to have to be a big fee. And listen, the amount of money this guy could generate for a football club is mad. And like, football's gone crazy in the last 20 years with the money, etc., etc. The fact that PSG offered him £1 billion for a 10-year contract, Saudi are offering him 700 million for a 1-year contract, and the fact that Real Madrid are going to pay 230 plus wages is going to cost there or thereabouts around £1 billion. The fact that a footballer is worth £1 billion is actually mad. You're just kicking a bag of air around, mate. Yeah, a leather bag of air. And you're getting paid that much dough. It's insane. But there is only a handful of players on the planet that can generate an income like Mbappe, Leo Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar. They can all generate an income. Bukayo Saka to a lesser degree, Vinicius Jr. to a lesser degree, but they can generate income, but not like these guys. Ronaldo, Neymar, Messi, Mbappe, they are clear. They are light years clear. They are far gone. And the fact that they're going to spend that much money on them, they just go, yeah, cool. Sweet. Because they know they'll probably make that money back inside the first season, just off of sponsorship deals, advertisements, marketing, endorsements, etc., etc. You know, he's going to be the face of French football for the next 10 years. He already is the face of French football. He's already won a World Cup, already performed in another World Cup final, narrowly losing out. Scored 4 goals, including his pen in the shootout. Crazy. This guy is the most marketable footballer on the planet right now. And Messi can pull a crowd. Ronaldo, Neymar. Listen, I'm a Messi boy. I love Messi. Yeah. But this guy is the most marketable footballer in the world. 230 million. Let's be real. It ain't nothing compared to what they're going to get back. And Florentino Perez is a gangster. That guy is a bad man. That guy will get his man. He's obviously on his knees for Madrid. He's turned down Saudi. I want Madrid. And I'll tell you something now. I watch La Liga every week. If he goes Real Madrid, he will run riot. Yeah, the sad thing is, obviously supporting the Premier League team, it would be great to see him in the Premier League and see, can you actually do it in the toughest league? Because there's always this thing, oh, it's the Farmers League. Oh, it's the French League. Yeah, that's all well and good. But some of the greatest footballers of all time have come out of that league. Yeah, let's just have it right. Yeah, but if it goes to Spain, all of a sudden, Real Madrid are winning a title. Well, I think they'll win the title anyway, but they're pissing a title. Champions League favourites instantly. But not only that, it gets La Liga back to where it should be. Back in the day when you had all the Galacticos, you had the Pep team, you had Falcao at Madrid, Atleti, like top ballers, left, right, and centre. All the world's best players played in Spain. Now they play in the Premier League. So in a way, I hope he does go Madrid, but I am kind of disappointed if he don't come Premier League. But then who can afford him? Chelsea, Man City. That's probably about it. And yes, like I said, you'll get all the money in, but it's the initial outlay. Yeah, and you then got to rely on that coming in. And Man United ain't run like that. Arsenal ain't run like that. Liverpool ain't run like that. Only Chelsea and Man City. Pochettino came out yesterday and said, yo, we're in a different market, mate. We're shopping at Lidl. We ain't shopping at Harrods. So he ain't going Chelsea. The only team that can probably attract him is Man City. That's it. And that's because they're treble winners. But if it's a choice of Man City or Real Madrid, sorry, no disrespect to the City fans that watch this channel. Yeah, because I rate you as a club. You're elite. But this is Real Madrid. Yeah, he's going Madrid. 100% he's going Madrid. Yeah, and I think that'll be done before the season starts. I think he'll be a Madrid player. And imagine the buzz as a Madrista. Yeah, like signing Kylian Mbappe. And the thing is, he's so, like, I like players that are arrogant. I like cocky players. Thierry Henry was arrogant. I remember he chipped the ball over Puyol, looked back at him like, what? You're Puyol, yeah? What? I just mugged you off. Jamie Carragher skipped past him, left him on his... Like, doing it against top players, bumping off R9, bumping off Guti and that. Thierry Henry was different. Yeah, but I'll tell you something now. If this guy goes to La Liga, he will smash it. And nailed on, in his first season, he'll be the top goal scorer in Europe. Nailed on, he'll be Ballon d'Or winner. First full season, when the Ballon d'Or comes around again, he will win the Ballon d'Or because he will absolutely tear up this league. Yeah, but Madrid have got to put the readies on the table. And Florentino Perez, gangster, bad man. Yeah, let's not forget, this is a guy that got Figo from Barca to Madrid. And if you go and watch the documentary, it is insane how he did that. Yeah, the guy's a gangster, literally ice cold. Yeah, and they're the most elite club on the fucking planet, man. Seriously. Yeah, I'd love my club to be like them. I'd love to be able to go and sign Kylian Mbappe. Jude Bellingham, by the way, absolute baller. That guy is a baller. I watched the highlights. I didn't watch the game. I watched the highlights against Man United. That guy is so sick. It is unbelievable. Yeah, the best thing he's ever done is sign for that club because he could have gone anywhere. But again, Real Madrid come knocking. Nobody turns them down, baby. Let me know in the comment section if you know of anybody who has turned Madrid down. Let me know if you think Mbappe will go to Madrid this season, next season. When do you think it'll be? And let me know if he does sign for Madrid, how you think he'll do. Will he smash it? Will he stagnate? You tell me. I think he'll tear it up playing against Alaves and Getafe and like Cadiz, madness. Rayo Vallecano, Sevilla. He's going to run a mockery, mate. It's going to be crazy. But listen, all have a blessed evening. I'm going to go and chill by the pool and top up my tan. Come on, that's how we're rolling. Lamb foul on deck. Back-to-back lamb fouls. That lamb foul was the hottest lamb foul I've had in this country. And it was so nice, I had to try it twice. So we've got a lamb foul coming in a bit. Have a wonderful evening, people. Leave your comments and super chats down below. We're out of here. Adios.